Good morning, everybody. Troy and Michelle from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Beautiful day today. I'm almost going to take my jacket off here in a few minutes. I am going to work on something that's been bugging me since last fall, just before I broke my rib. I'm going to close in the rest of this fence in front of the garage because Peeping Kenny Boy and the gang like to park right here and take advantage of that hole.
Oh, so hot.
And we're going to take that away today and close this up. And then also I'll be able to leave my garage open and not feel like people are scoping it out. I mean, it's a little too close to the road. I would have never put the garage right there, that close to the road. Well, then again, for parking a car, but it's going to be my workshop, and I want to be able to leave that open and feel comfortable and safe. So this wall is going to be done hopefully today. We'll see how I feel. The rib still hurts, believe it or not, but it was a cold winter. It takes time, but we're going to close this up. Get some privacy and peace in this place. And so on and so on and so on. So this takes some time because I gotta shave off the bark. Fortunately, some of them are better than others. This happens to be a good one. All this is a resource around here. That will be mulch for the gardens later on. I'll probably run it through the machine. Everything's a resource around here. Everything gets used for something. Letting this sit over the winter, all the worms did a job on that bark and loosened it up for me. Actually, that's beneficial in this case. There's one. I don't let them survive. That's beneficial in this case because it loosened it up for me. There's still ice on this. That's how cold it's been. Look at that. That's all ice. It's been cold here. Yep. So I'm actually prying these apart. That's from over in the pile that I had sitting out back. Well, I'm getting there. It's slow going because I'm carrying them across the entire property. I could load up a wagon and drive over, but I'd still have to walk through a bunch of obstacles and carry them anyway. I just figured, take my time, get it done, it'll be alright. I'm just regaining my strength from the winter anyway, so no point in hurting myself. Probably doesn't show because I'm in a shadow, but that's, oh, that's mold. I thought it was ice. There's ice all over this. I'm cutting two at a time. one's not really so nice, but I think it'll deter people enough. They'll have to really walk up to look through now. And I'll have cameras peeping through, so I think it'll be fine. If somebody wants to show their happy face to the camera, maybe that one won't work. Let me see. Now I'm going to turn this one inside out because this one's got some bumps that are bugging me. That might work better. I hope that'll look okay because these are flat shaved anyway. Some are flat, some are not. I don't know, I might kick that one out later. That one's not so healthy. Yeah, we'll see how it looks when I'm done. I can make adjustments as I go along. Looks like a fort. I like it. Look at that ice. Does that show up on the camera? Yeah. I'm getting deeper in the woodpile. That's a good 1/8 of an inch thick ice. I'm getting deeper down where it's pretty thick ice down in there. Good thing is it's warm enough, t-shirt weather today, that the top is melting enough so I can break these apart as I go. Well, I'm getting there. I'm going to close this off right here. I'm just tying that up. Last board, everybody, I think. Michelle, I need 3 nails, please.
Okay. 1.
Well, hold them in your hand. Give them to me one at a time. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
Alright, hold on. Let me get this up here.
That's a yes piece.
The last one. Just hitting down there. 1 nail, please. Oh, hold on.
This time don't come true, okay?
No, okay.
I put one in my hand and the other one in my other hand.
Okay. 1 nail.
My hands are getting dirty yellow.
I know. One nail. Give me another, please, because this is a fat board.
Fat box?
Yeah, it is.
So fat box?
Yeah, give me another nail.
This one?
Yep, get another one ready.
Why?
Because we're going to make this one stick good.
Need another one?
Yep.
Oh, I dropped it.
And give me one more.
Why?
Because I want to make this one on there good.
Here that.
Thank you. That's the last one.
Yay, yay, yay. We are almost done.
Almost done.
Just a yes now and that's it. Yeah, yes now and that's it. And we're done and never go outside.
There we are, guys. Whew. We did it, Michelle.
Yay, 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 yay.
We did it.
Bye-bye.
So we did all of this today.
Hey,
It looks like a fort. It looks cool. Let's go outside and have a look and see what kind of privacy we got now.
Yay.
See you on the outside.
Yay, yay.
Look at that, guys. Now I can leave my garage open and not worry about people seeing what I got. That's nice. And that closes a place where certain people like to park. They like to park right here all the time and just watch and record us. No more. I like that. Look at that. That is nice.
But they can see
And it
us.
comes just past the garage a little ways.
But they can
What?
see.
What can they see?
They can see us where we are cutting wood.
We don't stand over here.
No, they can see us. They can see us where we cutting wood.
When I'm done with the mill extensions, I'm going to finish all of that there. And the gates. And the arch over top there. Can't wait. Alright guys, please do like this video. You had fun, didn't you? Bouncy, bouncy, bounce. So did I. This is happiness. This is Troy and Michelle from the Do-It-Yourself World and your Off-Grid Project. I think she must have got into some sugar.